Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening, and we are doing our seed saving series where every day I'm showing you how to save seeds from a different vegetable as opposed to last year when we had done flowers every day. So today we are doing cucumbers. Now cucumbers are very similar to the tomato in terms of the seed having a gelatinous outside to each seed. So on the inside of your cucumber, it's going to have like gel around each seed. This is to protect the seed to make sure that it gets planted. So what you're going to want to do is we're going to get the seeds out of it just by simply slicing it. Now I am going to go ahead and peel mine because I am having a cucumber sandwich, but you don't have to peel yours. So what you're going to do in the first step of saving these seeds is have your cucumber on the vine, and you're wanting it to reach its absolute maximum size on that vine. So it's going to go super big and thick depending on what variety you have, and it's going to start changing skin color. So it's going to go from like a green a green cucumber, and it's going to start changing colors. This one at one point was a light green cucumber. It's called salt and pepper, and it changed colors completely into an orange hard flesh, and that's what you're looking for because that means the fruit is at its most mature peak and the seeds will be good. So we're going to go ahead and slice into this cucumber, and as you can see, those seeds are in gel. So I suggest doing it lengthwise because one slice down the middle usually causes less damage than cutting into slices. So this is all that you need to do now, and now we just need to get all of these seeds out of here. And as you take them out, you're looking to put them into like a glass or a mason jar, whatever you have, some sort of taller vessel that you can add water and stir in with. So of course, if you're saving multiple cucumber seeds, you're gonna have a bunch of seeds. Now at this point, you can see inside of the cup there, it's got our seeds and the gelatin. We're gonna add some water. Just like that, no big deal. And now at this point, we're going to leave it on the counter, not in direct sunlight, for about a week. And every day you want to come and stir it. This is going to help loosen that gelatin from the seeds, and it's also going to show us which ones are viable or not, because at the end of the week, whatever's floating on the top is not viable. So I will see you in about a week's time. Don't forget to stir every day, and we will continue the next step. Okay, so it's been a few days and most of the gel is off of our seeds. I've been stirring it once a day. Anything that floated to the top that wasn't viable, I've scooped off. And at this point, we can now get them out of here because the gel should be off our seeds. So we're going to take a fine mesh strainer and we are going to strain out the liquid. And then when you're done that, you just want to rinse them off a little bit here. Just nice and rinsed, making sure everything is thoroughly off. Now at this point, we're just going to put them onto a paper towel, and we're going to make sure that nothing is overlapping. They're all spaced out individually. And we're going to place them just on this paper towel in a nice and cool, dark place, nice and dry. And we'll do that for about a week's time until they're like brittle and super dry to the touch. I will show you what that looks like in just a minute. Okay, and here they are all done. As you can see, gel is off. They've been drying all week and they are ready to store until next year.